Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 27th, and this is my analysis for the euro again, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we've been very sideways. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because normally a very sideways market does mean that it's a correction and that eventually it's going to end up probably respecting one of these fib levels and continuing back up. But it hasn't done so yet. So if you're trading like the very short time frames, I would still be recommending shorts. But if you go down to the 1 hour time frame and you watch your Fibonacci retracement levels, if you get a break of structure to the upside at any one of these Fib levels, or maybe like a significant higher low at one of these Fibonacci levels on like the 1 hour time frame range, then I would probably stop looking for shorts and start looking for longs again. But for now, we're definitely looking for shorts because that's what the higher time frames are telling us, at least until we get a reaction at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.